All right, today we're going to bring an LED fan, and if you guys can see it, this is a large LED light, and it has a see-through propeller fan in the bottom. Now, we did take out the cap, and it's very simple. You got your ground, your hot, and your neutral, and then you got the base plate, and basically this is what's going to go on top of it. Now when you set this up, there's also a ground area screw that you need to put in there, and on top of that I like to give you the hook, this little hook here, so you can hang it while you're setting it up. They do give you a controller. You pretty much got your on and off, fan, reverse, different speeds. You got 1 through 6 different light tones. You have your hourly, 1 hour to 2 hours. On top of that, they give you the screws. Now, when you're setting something like this, make sure you have a tester so you don't have to have some live feed before you set it up. So we're going to set it up today and see how it works. All right, we got the light set up already. Here's the remote, if you guys can see it. We're gonna go ahead and turn on the fan, number 1. And we click on it, and there it goes, number 1. You're gonna hear it. We're gonna go number 6. That's number 6, if you guys can hear it. And you're gonna hear it on the actual microphone here. It's pretty strong. You can feel it too. So we're gonna stop the actual fan. We're going to change the different modes, all right? This is 1 mode right now, 2, 3, and back to 1. Now, from here, you have your hourly, and then you could dim down this light too by hitting the low. Look at that. Going low, real low. And then we could go all the way high. So here's the actual light. And let me turn off the complete light so you can see how dark it is. And it's super dark in here, but if you turn on the light, look at that. Turn on the fan. Number 6. All right, so the name of the app is Fan Lamp Pro. We're gonna install it and set it up and remote control from our actual phone. All right, so we got the app set up, and I'm gonna show you guys a little bit of the light. All right, so with the app, to set it up, turn off the power, the actual switch power, and then come into the Bluetooth and hit it. After 5 seconds, hit it, and automatically you hear a beep. All right, so here we have control of the light. You guys can see that. We're going to turn off the light completely. All right, turn it back on, light on. There it goes. We're going to go ahead and change different modes. We could do the fan if you want. In fan, we're going to turn on the fan here. See that? We have cycle 1 all the way through 6 in here. We'll lower it down. And from here, we could actually tone it down too. We could dim it down, if you guys can see that. Dimming it down from here. And then there's a lot of options here. You go reverse, forward, and then different tones of light. Look at that. The N, the Y, and the W. That's pretty much it on the app. Very simple to control. You can turn off from here. Turn on the light completely off. And then you can always turn it back on. But make sure you turn on the light too. So when you turn on the light, let's go to neutral. See the little corner here? You hit the light on. And that's it. Very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoy the video.